Now we're going to do sketches. So our learning goal would be sketches and the sketch commands. So we'll go to a new modeling area and we'll go create sketch. You have the 3 planes, front, base and side. And we'll go on the front. Doesn't really matter. In this instance. We need to talk about this is a line, drawing lines of course, drawing rectangles, trimming, dimensioning, arc with 3 points, circle, extend, and arc with center point. Now you can remove these from any time. Remove from toolbar. Show all hidden panels. Reset panel customization. Move panel from toolbar. Reset tool customization. So normally you only have the 2. So you're going to sketch and you're going to use circle a lot. So we can put that up on the toolbar. There it is. Sketch. We go down. Another one we like to use is trim. Very handy. And another one, sketch dimension. Very handy. You can put other ones there as your modeling experience increases. You will realize there's ones you like to use quite often. That's enough for now. And the battle axe is basically a section that is revolved. So we'll do a small rectangle to start with. It's only roughly 10 by 5, 10 by 10, something like that. So you can type in 10, tab, and 12, enter. And we can zoom it in, click, there it is. Then we do the blade at the middle, around about 20, so it gives us those guidelines there. And that's about there. At this stage it doesn't really matter. Stop sketch. And that's your sketch. Your sketch are listed over here. Your origin points, we've talked about orbit. And that's our basic sketch. Thank you.